So today I have decided to bath. Actually, you can see what is the temperature here. My body is shivering with the cold. Actually, it's too much cold. So let's see how to bath. So for bath, you have to took one balti full of water. You can see one balti full of water and take this, and place it here. Place it on the floor. And now I will show you one demonstrated concept of physics and which involve also chemistry and mathematics and gives energy. So I will show you how to hot this water is. Oh my god, this water is so cold. Oh, you can see my hand is shivering also. So there is temperature minus 28 degrees Celsius, and you can see that if you believe that there is no cold, then there is no cold. My hand is static right now, but now I will feel there is cold, and you can see my hand is starting shivering. And so today let's see how to make hot this chilled water. Oh my gosh. So you need one rod which involve electrostatic EMF formula, that is E equal to E naught minus 0.0591 log K2 upon K1. So let's see how this works for making this cold water hot. You have to put this rod that I have found in the Khudai of Mohenjo-daro Harappa Sanskriti. So you have to place this on the water, and you have to keep in mind you don't put like this, otherwise it oh, there is so cold. This is so cold water. You can see that heater is also shivering. So you have to put this heater slowly so that this rod also can't know about coldness of water. Place this like this, and this is done. You can see my heater is static and he is not shivering with the cold. I make FOOL full of the heater, and you have to remove the wire and don't put it on without plugging it, because it might also produce current, that is E equal to charge equal to Ne, number of electron, and electric charge of one electron. So you have to switch off the board, make sure the board is switched off, and put it here. It is taking too much time. Okay, now switch on this switch, but there is also might of chance of the current. So you have to take one paper so that your body does not transmit this current will not flow to your body. You have to put this paper on your hand like this, and you can switch on the switch. Oh, there is current also in this circuit. So right now you can see it is cold, but if water is cold, but there will be, due to the electrostatic motion of this water will start to vibrate, and after that water will be heated, so much heated. So this is the demonstration how you make your cold water transform into the hot water in minus 28 degrees Celsius. Guys, I think you like this video, so please subscribe this channel and share this video to prevent other people also from shivering, and make them daily bath, since bathing in 1 month or 15 days is too injurious for the health. Okay guys, let's stop this video. Oh, temperature is going again down, and it is minus 35 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, so I am going into my blanket, and water will be hot. After that, I don't know what to use with the water, but this video is only for the promotion of science. So you can like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. Okay guys, thank you, bye. I will meet in your next video.